my friends, it seems like a good time to bring you another minor key vocal warm-up. While a lot of the music we sing is in major keys, not all of it is. And just like with any sports practice, we want to spend plenty of time working on exercises that will translate into performance. So let's jump into some vocal warm-ups and vocal exercises that will work on our singing skills when we are singing in minor keys. As always, take a moment to connect with alignment and breath as we get ready to sing. This is an easy 3-note pattern. We're going to sing on the sound key like this. Key. Let's use this to stay relaxed and get our voices gently ready for more singing. Key. Descending. Key. 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 Next, we're going to do a minor pentascale, which will allow us to glide through each note on the sounds may-ah. Make sure to start each phrase with a relaxed and engaged breath, and I like to make sure that I have a feeling of releasing tongue and jaw tension as I go from the A to the ah sound, like this. Try it. This next vocal exercise will use a minor triad arpeggio. With each key, we'll sing it once legato, very connected, and once staccato, detached. This will allow us to really zero in on singing in tune and work on accuracy. We'll sing D, here we go. D, D, This next exercise will bring us further into working on flexibility and interval accuracy as we sing the following. Again, let's make sure to monitor for tension as we go back and forth between those E and O vowels. Next we'll sing on mea, like this. This is an excellent time to once again focus on a relaxed breath, which will help sustain us through the entire exercise. Finally, let's do a little bit of range work with a full octave minor arpeggio like this. Think about using the brilliance of the E to propel you forward through the ah at the top, staying engaged with breath and resonance. Enjoyed today's session of minor warm-ups. I'd be so very appreciative if you'd give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell a friend about it. Thank you so much for singing with me, and I will see you next time. You're just gonna stay there, huh?